Aaron Rodgers, Lacy helped Pack build 24-point lead, hold off Falcons, Green Bay, Wisconsin. Another big first half helped the Green Bay Packers withstand a furious rally by the desperate Atlanta Falcons. Lacy ran for a touchdown and caught one of Aaron Rodgers' 3 TD passes, and Green Bay built a 24-point lead before holding on for a 43-37 victory Monday night. The Packers, 10-3, earned their 5th consecutive victory to stay a game up on Detroit in the NFC North. Atlanta dropped to 5-8, but remained in a first-place tie with New Orleans in the woeful NFC South. Julio Jones had a career-best 259 yards receiving for the Falcons before leaving with a hip injury. Jones had a 22-yard touchdown catch in a 20-point fourth quarter that helped Atlanta cut into Green Bay's big lead. Matt Ryan's 2-yard touchdown pass to Harry Douglas with 2:15 left got Atlanta within 6. But the Packers recovered the ensuing onside kick. James Stark's 41-yard run with 1:37 left to the Atlanta 6 effectively ended the Falcons' upset hopes. Atlanta came frustratingly close to a rare victory in Titletown. Green Bay held on for its 7th home win, but the porous pass defense may have given potential playoff foes some hope that Lambeau Field may not be that impenetrable after all. The Falcons did damage even with Jones hobbling on the sideline, appearing to favor his left side. Ryan threw for 375 yards and 4 scores, including a 1-yard touchdown catch by Roddy White with 6:20 left that trimmed Green Bay's lead to 40-30.